Hello guys, welcome back to NafRMJ channel. In this video, I want to tell you a story about Beauty and the Beast. Once upon a time in a far-off land, there lived a wealthy merchant with 3 daughters. The youngest daughter, named Belle, was the most beautiful and kind-hearted of them all. One day, the merchant lost all his fortune and had to move to a small cottage in a forest. One day, he decided to travel to the city to sell some of his goods. On his way back, he got lost in the forest and stumbled upon an enchanted castle. He decided to take refuge there for the night and took a rose from the garden for Belle. Suddenly, a hideous beast appeared and accused him of theft. The merchant pleaded for his life and told the beast that he only wanted to bring a gift for his daughter. The beast agreed to spare the merchant's life on the condition that Belle would come to the castle to live with him forever. Belle learned of her father's plight and decided to take his place as the beast's captive. Over time, Belle realized that beneath the beast's fearsome exterior lay a kind and gentle heart. As she got to know him better, she grew to love him. The beast, too, fell in love with Belle and wished to marry her. But she could not marry him until he turned into a prince. One day, Belle became homesick and longed to see her father again. The beast agreed to let her go, but gave her a magic mirror to look into if she ever missed him. Belle found her father ill and decided to stay with him. When the beast saw that Belle was not coming back, he became very sick and almost died. Belle realized that she loved him and went back to the castle, just in time to break the curse that had been put upon him. The beast turned into a prince, and they lived happily ever after. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and ring the bell.